Imagine a weapon so powerful, it can melt enemy drones in seconds, right from a Navy ship's deck. This isn't science fiction anymore. The US Navy's Helios laser weapon is changing the game in modern warfare. Fast, precise, and almost unlimited in ammunition, Helios can detect, track, and destroy threats faster than ever before. As drones and small fast attacks become the new danger, this laser defense system is the Navy's secret weapon to stay ahead. But how does Helios really work? What challenges does it face? And why is the world racing to develop this technology? Don't blink. This futuristic weapon could soon make traditional missiles obsolete. Stay with us to uncover the full story behind Helios, the laser weapon melting drones in seconds. The Navy's laser weapon, the US Navy has developed a powerful new weapon called Helios, which stands for High Energy Laser with Integrated Optical Dazzler and Surveillance. This is not just any laser. It's a high-tech defense system designed to protect Navy ships from threats like drones and small boats. Built by Lockheed Martin, Helios uses concentrated laser beams to disable or destroy enemy targets quickly and precisely. Unlike traditional weapons, Helios can fire almost instantly and with great accuracy. It works by heating up the target until it melts or breaks apart in seconds. This makes it a game changer for naval defense, especially as drones become more common on the battlefield. Helios also has advanced surveillance and dazzler systems to detect and confuse enemy sensors. The Navy tested Helios successfully on the USS Preble, showing how this sci-fi weapon is now a real part of their defense. With Helios, the Navy can respond faster and safer to modern threats, making ships harder to attack. It's a glimpse into the future of military technology. Laser weapons protecting sailors in real time. USS Preble's laser test. The USS Preble, a guided missile destroyer, recently became the first Navy ship to successfully test the Helios laser weapon system in real conditions. During the test, Helios was able to detect, track, and destroy drone targets in just seconds, proving its effectiveness and readiness for active duty. This was a major milestone for the Navy's move toward laser-based defense technology. The test demonstrated how Helios can be integrated onto a warship and work alongside other defense systems. The laser fired with incredible precision, melting drone parts and disabling them before they could pose any threat. The USS Preble's crew monitored the entire operation, confirming that Helios can operate reliably at sea. This test showed the practical power of directed energy weapons, a technology once seen only in science fiction. With Helios on board, the USS Preble gains a new layer of protection against fast, small, and hard-to-hit threats like drones. This successful trial marks a big step forward for the Navy's mission to modernize and protect its fleet with advanced, futuristic weapons. How Helios works? Helios is a directed energy weapon that uses a powerful laser beam to destroy targets with precision and speed. It works by focusing intense light energy on a specific point, usually an enemy drone or small boat. When the laser hits the target, it rapidly heats the surface until it melts or breaks apart, effectively disabling the threat within seconds. The system combines a high-energy laser with an optical dazzler and surveillance tools. The dazzler can confuse or blind enemy sensors and cameras, while the surveillance part helps detect and track incoming threats accurately. This combination makes Helios not only a weapon but also a smart defense system. Helios is designed to operate on Navy ships and is integrated with other defense technologies to provide a layered protection shield. Unlike missiles, it has almost unlimited ammunition, since it uses electricity to generate the laser beam. This makes it cost-effective and capable of firing multiple shots quickly without needing reloads. In short, Helios works like a precise, high-tech heat ray that can melt enemy drones and keep ships safe from fast, modern attacks. Integration with Aegis system. Helios is not just a standalone laser weapon. It works together with the Navy's advanced Aegis combat system. The Aegis system is a powerful radar and missile defense technology already used on many Navy ships. By integrating Helios with Aegis, the Navy creates a stronger and smarter defense network. This integration allows Helios to receive real-time data from Aegis sensors, which helps the laser quickly locate and track enemy targets like drones or missiles. Aegis can identify threats far away, then pass the information to Helios to take precise action. This teamwork speeds up response time and improves accuracy. With Helios added to Aegis, ships gain a layered defense system. Missiles can be used for bigger threats, while the laser handles smaller, faster targets. This mix ensures better protection and saves costs because laser shots are cheaper than missile launches. By combining Helios and Aegis, the Navy is upgrading its ships to meet future warfare challenges with cutting-edge technology that works together seamlessly to defend the fleet. Global Laser Weapon Race. The development of Helios by the US Navy is part of a growing global race to build advanced laser weapons. Many countries are investing heavily in similar directed energy systems to modernize their military forces. Nations like China, Russia, and Israel are also testing laser technology to defend against drones, missiles, and other threats. This race is driven by the need for faster, more precise, and cost-effective defense options. Traditional weapons like missiles are expensive and limited by supply, while laser weapons use electricity and can fire repeatedly with minimal cost. As drones and unmanned systems become common in warfare, laser weapons offer a new way to counter these fast-moving threats. Countries competing in this field aim to develop lasers that can work in harsh weather, at longer distances, and on different military platforms like ships, aircraft, and vehicles. The US Helios system shows how this technology is moving from labs to real battlefields. The global laser weapon race is reshaping how wars will be fought, pushing militaries to adopt futuristic tools that protect better and strike faster. The future of defense may rely heavily on lasers like Helios and those being developed worldwide. Advantages over traditional weapons. Helios laser weapon offers many advantages compared to traditional missile or gun-based defenses. First, it can fire its laser beam almost instantly, allowing ships to respond quickly to fast-moving threats like drones or small boats. This speed is crucial in modern warfare where seconds can decide victory or defeat. Second, Helios is very cost-effective. Unlike missiles, which can cost hundreds of thousands or even millions of dollars each, the laser uses electricity from the ship's power supply. This means it can fire many shots without the need to reload expensive ammunition, saving money in the long run. Third, Helios provides precision targeting. The laser can focus on small parts of a target, disabling it without causing unnecessary damage to surrounding areas. This is important in crowded environments like naval battle zones. Finally, Helios is a scalable system, meaning its power can be adjusted depending on the threat. It can dazzle enemy sensors or fully destroy a target by melting it, offering flexibility that traditional weapons do not have. Overall, Helios combines speed, cost savings, precision, and flexibility, making it a powerful upgrade over conventional weapons. Challenges in deployment. Despite its impressive capabilities, deploying Helios laser weapons faces several challenges. One major issue is the impact of weather and environmental conditions. Rain, fog, dust, and smoke can weaken or scatter the laser beam, reducing its effectiveness and range. This makes it harder to rely solely on lasers in all combat situations. Another challenge is the high energy demand. Helios requires a large and stable power supply to generate its powerful laser beam. Navy ships must have the right electrical systems to support this, which can limit where and how the weapon is installed. Additionally, targeting fast, moving or small drones requires advanced tracking systems. While Helios has integrated surveillance, ensuring consistent accuracy against multiple targets remains difficult, especially in complex battle environments. Lastly, safety and operational training for crews are critical. Handling a high-energy laser system safely aboard a warship needs strict protocols to avoid accidents. Though these challenges exist, ongoing research and upgrades aim to overcome them, making Helios a reliable and effective part of future naval defense. Future of naval defense. The success of Helios marks a new era in naval defense, where laser weapons are set to play a vital role in protecting fleets worldwide. In the future, we can expect more ships to be equipped with advanced directed energy systems like Helios, making naval forces faster, smarter, and more efficient in battle. As technology improves, these lasers will become more powerful, able to engage threats at longer distances and in tougher weather conditions. Integration with other defense systems will grow stronger, creating a network shield that can handle multiple targets simultaneously. Beyond defense, lasers might also be used for offensive missions, disabling enemy equipment without firing traditional weapons. This opens new strategic possibilities for naval commanders. The move toward clean, cost-effective, and precise laser weapons reflects the changing face of warfare. With continued innovation, naval forces will rely heavily on systems like HAL-OS to maintain control of the seas and ensure security in an increasingly dangerous world. Laser technology is not science fiction anymore, it's the future of naval defense. Visual demonstrations, seeing HAL-OS in action shows just how powerful and precise this laser weapon truly is. During live tests, videos capture the laser beam striking enemy drones and small boats, melting their parts within seconds. These dramatic visuals prove that HAL-OS is more than just an idea. It's a real and effective defense tool. Footage from the USS Prebles trials shows the laser firing in different weather conditions, tracking fast, moving targets with accuracy. The bright beam cutting through the sky looks like something out of a sci-fi movie, but it's happening now on the high seas. These demonstrations help the Navy and the public understand the capabilities of directed energy weapons. They also boost confidence that HAL-OS can protect ships from modern threats quickly and safely. By sharing these videos and images, the Navy highlights the future of warfare, a world where lasers defend and win battles, keeping sailors safe with cutting-edge technology. Thanks for watching this deep dive into the US Navy's incredible HAL-OS laser weapon. This high-energy laser system is changing the future of naval defense, offering speed, precision, and cost-effective protection against modern threats like drones. As HAL-OS becomes part of our fleet, it raises questions about how warfare will evolve with laser technology leading the way. What do you think? Will laser weapons like HAL-OS make traditional missiles and guns obsolete? Or will there always be a need for both? Share your thoughts in the comments below. I'd love to hear your opinion. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications and join my channel NextGen Defense. And stay tuned for our next video. Patriot missiles just got smarter. Watch what happens now! You won't want to miss it!